So today I have some more prickly pears, some cactus fruit to try. We have a green and a red. We've previously tried, I'm going to butcher the name, a joconosle, and the ones that we got were like smaller, and they're used in like salsas and things like that. But this time we have some full-sized prickly pears, and so I've had plenty of dragon fruit as well, but I have not had a lot of prickly pears, despite them being very prolific here in California. I haven't had a lot recently, so I'm going to give these a shot. And this red one is like bleeding all over my hands. It smells pretty good. Oh my gosh. And you immediately get all the seeds. You can tell it's full of seeds. So it does have similar texture to a dragon fruit. And it's interesting, despite being so red and colorful, this one doesn't have a strong flavor. It's kind of mild, like a white dragon fruit would be. And it's sweet, but not super sweet. It's all right. The seeds really like come after you. And I have seen people show off like very flavorful prickly pears, and I guess this just isn't one of them. That's just a bummer. So the search will continue, but I'm gonna try the green one as well. So the green one, I think, actually has a bit more flavor than the red one that I have. All right. It's not amazing, but it's all right. I think it's got like a cantaloupe texture, plus tons of seeds. I would definitely pick the green ones, I think, at least out of this bunch. Because the red ones that I have just don't seem to have much flavor, unfortunately. And it's not anything like, well, texture-wise, sure, but flavor-wise, not really similar to the joconosle, because that one I remember had like a certain tartness to it, and I really do like tart stuff, so. I will say they are refreshing. If you chill them first, then it's a refreshing fruit, even if it's a little bit bland, you know. So, prickly pear is very prolific. I have read that all nopal fruit is edible, like across all the different varieties, even the like extremely prickly ones. However, maybe not all of them taste that great. Like even the like little itty bitty tiny ones, apparently that is edible, but maybe it doesn't taste very good. So I will keep searching for the really tasty varieties, and I'll share them when I find them.